10वीची परीक्षा सुरू जाल्या तरीकूय तिसवाडी आणि बार्देस तालुक्यातल्या शाळांनी वर्सुकी खेळ घेतिल्ले नात अशें कित्याक काँग्रेसीन प्रश्न उपरासला। फाटली 4 वर्सां जाली कितल्याशा शाळांनी खेळ आयोजीत करूंक ना। विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कुशळटाय उदरगतीचेर भर दिवपी भाजप सरकाराक हे दिश्टी पडना काय कितें असो प्रश्न महिला काँग्रेसीची मुखेली बिना नायकान उपरासला।
For last 4-5 years, we have not seen any sports activity conducted before Feb. Sports events not conducted as of date, especially I'll speak about Tiswadi and Bardes, level by Director of Sports and Youth Affairs. I'll mention the names of the sports. Under 14 for students of 6 and 8. The schools have finished their last paper in view of no announcement or possibility of conducting the tournament, and even otherwise the students have proceeded on vacation. Students have already gone on vacation and now still they have not conducted the sports activity. Similarly, under 17 for students of 9 and 10th standard students are answering board exams. Okay, it is mostly the 10th. These are why I'm giving importance to the sport activities, because the marks of sports are taken into consideration at the time of the results. And that is the reason I'm giving, it's not because of that. We always say, and BJP always say, that it should be all-round development of a child. For sports are not only necessary for marks, but they are also equally important for the all-round development of a child. Are the officers incompetent to conduct the event, sports event before examination, before Feb, for last so many years? Or lethargic? Who is responsible for it? Director of Sports, is he an incompetent person? Is the Ministry of Sports to be blamed for this? Why are they giving state motherly treatment to sports?